How to modify the Mazda 6 central control screen. First of all, we will take out the central control gear handrail and teacup box. Then remove the co-pilot locker and shift panel. Then loosen the screws to remove the middle air conditioning panel. Then unscrew the screws to remove the original center control screen. Connect our wires to the host and organize them. Take out our product and plug the wire into the back. Fix the position of the product first, and then let the product learn the key operation. Okay, it's basically done. Let's fix the product with screws. Finally, restore the removed accessories. Let's experience the function. Support car lock function. Support wireless CarPlay with rich functions. Support map navigation function, easy to drive. Support radio function. You can also watch movies on a large screen. Thank you for watching.